Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about a natural ingredient full of benefits, and that is clove water. In this video, I will discuss clove water benefits and how to use it. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment because your comments boost my motivation level to bring more interesting health videos for you. Now let's begin our video. What is clove water? Clove water is a key infusion made from dried clove buds, which are the fragrant young buds of the evergreen tree Syzygium aromaticum. These buds are packed with compounds such as eugenol, a strong antioxidant, along with essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Clove water benefits. 1. Assists digestion. Clove water is known to help the production of digestive enzymes, making it an excellent remedy for indigestion, bloating, and gas. Its antimicrobial properties also help keep the gut healthy, reducing the risk of stomach issues. 2. Boosts immunity. The high antioxidant content in clove water neutralizes free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. Regular consumption of clove water may support the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections. 3. Promotes oral health. Clove is well regarded for its use in oral care due to its antibacterial properties. Drinking clove water can help combat bad breath, soothe gum inflammation, and reduce the risk of oral infections. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Cloves have been shown to improve insulin function and regulate blood sugar levels. Clove water may help manage blood sugar spikes, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to prevent it. 5. Supports weight loss. Clove water may support weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism. It helps the body burn fat more efficiently and promotes better digestion, both of which can assist in shedding excess pounds when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. 6. Relieves joint pain. Eugenol, the main compound in cloves, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and swelling. Drinking clove water regularly may provide relief to those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. 7. Improves skin health. The antioxidants in clove water can also benefit your skin by combating oxidative stress, which contributes to aging. Regular use may help reduce acne, clear up blemishes, and promote a healthier complexion. The game plan of when to drink clove water can impact the benefits you experience. Here is a breakdown of the best times to consume it. 1 morning, while at the same time starving. Drinking clove water first thing can move off your making do, update making do, and give an appearance of energy. It's a stunning framework for detoxifying the body following a night of rest and set up the stomach-related structure for the day ahead. 2. Going before eats. On the far-off possibility that you have stomach-related issues, drinking clove water close to 30 minutes before a festival can vitalize stomach-related powers and work on the upkeep of updates. It can, other than forestall distending and indigestion, figuring out unequivocally precisely true to form to eating. 3. Before bed. For those expecting to use clove water for its working with properties, drinking it before bed could help with reducing joint difficulty present moment and advance better rest. It can likewise stay aware of the body's standard detoxification processes during rest. Making clove water is major and ought to be conceivable in 2 Goliath ways. Sprinkling improvement. Add 4 to 5 cloves to a glass of water and award it to sit for the present. Hydrate in the focal piece of the day while starving for best results. Attracting progress. Enhancer some water with 4 to 5 cloves for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm or permit it to cool. This methodology is great, persevering for the time being that you're in a hurry. Clove water strong districts for earnest for can't take the necessary steps not to be for A. Fix with different clinical benefits, from additional making, figuring out a level-headed strategy for directing controlling glucose and pushing weight decline. Sorting out it into your typical standard practice, especially close to the start of the day or before meals, can impact its resources. However, is major, as famous use could influence gave up results like stomach-related declining. To the shock of no one, it's careful in order to work with a clinical benefits fit, going prior to adding any new reaction for your standard practice, especially in case you have major clinical issue. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you people like this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get new videos immediately. See you soon with another informative health topic. Till then, Stay healthy.